Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jennifer, and if this is your first time here, we'll focus on English for beginners. Today, we'll learn how to talk about everyday life, a key skill for speaking confidently and naturally. Even if you are a complete beginner, I'm going to show you simple, practical tips and examples that you can start using today. So you can describe your daily routine, talk about your hobbies, and communicate comfortably with others in English. Before we start, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily tips to boost your English fluency and confidence. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt nervous trying to speak English about simple things like what you do every day? Have you ever felt nervous speaking English about simple things like your day, meals, or hobbies? Don't worry. Today, I'll give you 5 easy steps to speak English about daily life confidently and naturally. The first step is to learn vocabulary that you actually use every day. Because knowing words that relate to your daily life makes speaking English easier and more relevant. Start with daily activities. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, study, cook, sleep. Include places: home, school, office, park, store. Include common objects: phone, bag, keys, water, food. Practice using these words in simple sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee in the morning. Knowing useful words makes speaking easier and boosts your confidence every day. Step 2. Talk about your daily routine to practice speaking English naturally. Describe your morning, afternoon, and evening using simple sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to work at 8 a.m. I eat dinner at 7 p.m. Try to add small details to make your sentences longer. I drink coffee while reading the news in the morning. I take a walk in the park after lunch. I speak out loud daily to train your brain and mouth to form sentences naturally. Talking about your daily routine helps you practice English in real-life situations, making it more useful and memorable. Step 3. Talk about your hobbies to make conversations fun and boost your confidence. Use simple sentences to describe activities. I like reading books. I enjoy cooking on weekends. I play football with my friends. Ask questions to practice conversation. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you enjoy listening to music? Try to add small details. I like reading adventure books before going to sleep. I enjoy cooking pasta on Sundays. Talking about hobbies lets you practice English naturally and prepares you for real conversations.
Step 4 is to practice short conversations, because real speaking requires interaction, not just repeating sentences.
Use greetings and small talk to start conversations naturally, like saying, "Hi, how are you?" and responding, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" Ask about daily life plans. What did you do today? Where do you usually go on weekends? Practice answering naturally with short, clear sentences. I went to the market. I usually watch movies at home. Practice with friends, partners, or even by talking to yourself in the mirror. Short conversations help you think quickly in English, improve your confidence, and make speaking about everyday life feel natural. Step 5 is review what you learned, repeat your sentences, and enjoy the process to improve consistently. And repeat sentences about your routine, hobbies, and conversations daily. Record yourself to notice improvement over time. Celebrate small achievements, like successfully finishing a conversation or remembering new words. Make it fun by adding new details or expressions each day. Repeating and reviewing helps you remember sentences and vocabulary, making English easier and boosting your confidence. If you follow these 5 steps, learning everyday vocabulary, talking about your daily routine, talking about hobbies, practicing short conversations, and reviewing daily, and you will notice your English improving quickly and naturally. Comment below what is one sentence about your day that you will say today in English. I'll read your comments and give feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily English tips to boost your fluency and confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember, talking about everyday life is one of the fastest ways to become comfortable and confident in English. So start practicing today and enjoy your progress. See you in the next video.